Use a 19mm socket, remove the wheel, take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. Just want to spray a little rust penetrant on this nut. Let it soak for a little bit. Right, I'm going to use a 15mm wrench. And then I need to use a 5mm hex socket. And that's going to hold the stud from spinning. Just use a hammer and hammer that on. I'm just going to hold the hex socket while I loosen up with the wrench. Take this nut off, take that part of the link out. I'm going to take this nut off and I'm going to use a 15mm wrench. Take the nut off. I'm going to use a hex key on the bottom because it's easier than using a socket to hold the stud. Take the key out and take the nut off. Slide it out. Now take the link, get that in position, put the new nut on. And I'll take a 16mm ratchet wrench and a 5mm hex key. All right. And tighten this up. If you can get a torque wrench in here, you can torque this to 35 foot-pounds. Now line the top part up, install the new nut, and use the 16mm ratchet wrench and a 5mm hex key. Tighten this up. Then I'm going to torque this to 35 foot-pounds. And install the wheel. I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, and I'm going to do it in a star pattern so that it tightens the wheel down evenly. And I'll just go around again and just double check.